Okay, this is how to get Google OAuth credentials. Okay, by enabling these APIs, we can use the Google Apps in your n8n workflows. Okay, that's why we are enabling. Let's go into the video. Okay, so first you have to give the credentials. So double click on it, and then here choose for create a new credentials. So you will get interface like this. Okay, here we have to add client ID and a client secret. Okay, then only we will get the what credentials. Okay, and the authentication. Okay, so first go to open docs. Okay, here are the 5 steps we have to do, like create the Google Cloud Console, enable APIs. Okay, these are the 5 steps. So first you have to go to the Google Cloud Console. Okay, these are the steps how to do. Okay, then come here. You have to select here or else click on it, create a new project. Okay, here whatever you want. Let's take n8n connection. Okay, let's take n8n connection immediately. Okay, create it. Okay, and select the whatever the you created the new project. Select it. Okay, now select the project. Here you have to here it will visible. Okay, then select it. Okay, then here then go for the navigation menu. Here you have to select the API and services. Go for enable API and services. Okay, here we have to enable the whatever we want, Google Drive or else email, calendar, Google Docs, whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want to insert in your n8n workflow, those you have to enable. Okay, here plus enable API and services, and we have now here currently doing is Drive. What's that? Google Drive, right? Let's search for it. Okay, here we get Google Drive API. Click on it and enable it. Okay, that's it. Like that, but how many? So what like that? Whatever you want to use in your workflow, you have to enable those all things. Okay. Now I have also docs. Okay, let me search for Google Docs. Okay, here got it. Okay. Here we got it. Google Docs API, and then enable it. Okay, that's it. Now the second step is after enabling, we have to go to contents consent. Okay, let me wait. Let us wait. Okay. After enabling this, we have to go to auth consent screen. Okay, here we have to go. Then click on get started. Okay, there you will see here you have to provide the whatever app name. Okay, let it as same as n8n connection, right? Okay, here you have to give the email of yours. Then you have to get update something related to this app. Okay, select it external because we used for the okay, let me wait. Select external. Okay, next, and then you have to save. Okay, an email and click it and agree, continue and next create. That's it. Wait for some time. It depends on your network. That's it. Okay. Okay, then after that, we have to go to clients. Instead of going there, directly we can click here. Create auth client. Okay. Click on it. Okay. Here we have to select the type is web application. Then drop downs anything. Client one here, I will be selecting as n8n connection. And notice name, it may be anything, whatever you want. Okay. Let's call. Here we have to add URL. Redirected URL. Authorize it. Okay. How to get this? So you have to come to again in my workflow. Here you see URL. Okay, copy it and go to create auth client, and you have to paste it. Then you can get client ID or something else. Okay, I just created. Okay, enter, or else you can just create. Okay, that's it. You may get like this. Okay, here this is your client ID. So copy it and go to my workflow, and you have to paste it. Okay, okay, that's done. And you have to paste here client secret. So again, go to here, click on n8n collection, and then you see here client secret. It is visible, right? Client secret, right? Go for it, copy it, go to my workflow, and then paste it. Okay, that's it. And here we have to sign in. Okay, before that, we put their external, right? So we have to add users. Go to clients or audience. Okay, we have to add users. Okay, yeah, add users. Give an email that you can use it. Okay, this is a user. Without user, you can't. Okay, right? Save it, and then go for here. Sign in with Google, right? Then you send mail. Okay, continue. Okay, we have to select we have to give the permission for Drive, Google Photos, and Google Drive. Oh, that's it. Okay, select it and continue. Then you see window will close automatically 5 seconds. Okay, there's a successful, and you will see here in a green color. Okay, it means successfully authorized anamata. So then that's it. It's not a problem. Okay, save and come back. Then now, okay, now here is a thing. I got to execute this step. Now it is a drive. Choosing a resume, right? Go for it, upload it. Okay, that's the song. Let me show you everything. Okay, after it's submitted. Okay, when the first time when we executed, we didn't get any output here. Okay, and now we get a output here. Okay, at that time we got an error here. Okay, fix it first like that. Okay, so it is executed successfully. In my next video, we will build an automatic agent that can whatever that can read resumes. Okay, resume screening. Okay, then resume screening we will build in next video. Okay, thank you.